not all of us who are on social media or entering the spaces where influencers are made are gonna be influencers. Thandeka Shabalala is gonna be MC of the event that is empowering women. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. After a long month of shouting, Thandeka, why are you not working? Thandeka, where are the brand deals? Thandeka, what is it that you want to offer for us? Finally, Thandeka Shabalala or the Icons Award of Africa, something like that, they have announced that Thandeka will be hosting their event on the 28th or 29th of August 2026. The event is about empowering women and actually uplifting women. I think it's about economically, strategically, anything about women empowerment. One thing that I like about this women empowerment event is that though ordinary women like me and you might not benefit from them, those women who are rich and in the upper class, they get a lot more by networking, connecting, and sharing the experience that they have lived. Watch the content creator called Namolina in South African content creator who goes to such events in Dubai, and you could see, like, if you have a brand that you're working towards or an idea that you're working towards, you could get connections from such events. So Thandeka being in that space actually, I think, it's a platform to introduce what she can do, because I always said that in Big Brother house, what I could see from Thandeka is the kind of the next Bonang. Though the age at which she's starting doing this work is partly late in the entertainment industry, because if you want to start entertainment industry, you have to start at the age of 19. But otherwise, I believe it's a great opportunity for her, and I'm so happy for Talians. I know someone will say, you're pretending you hate Thandeka. I'm happy that she's working. This is what I want for her, and something that matches with her brand. I mean, um, we can talk about the things that happened in the house, but we cannot hold them against her forever. At some point, even us who felt like she needed to apologize, we need to move on and let the girl shine. I think one thing about being in that house was that you are simulated, all over simulated, not even simulated, over simulated, and everything will be exaggerated because you are in a small environment, but you are behaving for a huge audience. So I'm happy for her, like extremely happy for her. And everyone who's happy for her, just comment Viva Talian in the comment section. I'll see you in my next upload. And I absolutely love you. Enjoy your weekend.